everybody, just another edition of James Jam. I've kind of been buying a bunch of stuff and just wanted to kind of let you guys see a little bit of it. As you can see over here, I have my beautiful Lodge PM that I've been loving and using all the time. And then I got a Louis Vuitton unboxing to do and a couple of Vans things I was going to show you. And I got a jacket from LV. So just quick here. I got a faux leather jacket from LV in this hot pink I think is awesome. Then I was going to just show these cool Vans I got. I've been coloring on them. You can color them yourself. So I just kept the main color until I showed people just to let them see. So I just love these. These are really neat. You buy your own markers and then you can color them however you want. And then I did not know that Vans had this, but looking on their website when I bought the coloring shoes you can color, they have custom Vans, and my order finally came in. And as you can see, it comes in its own dust bag and says custom made for you. And this is what I got. A pair of Vans that have my own pictures on them. So my favorite place, one of my favorite places in the world is Gatlinburg, Tennessee. And I love Fanny Farkles. It's an arcade there. So this is a picture of Fanny Farkles. And then I did pick up the laces myself, the color of the tongue, whatever this is called, the eyelet cover. You pick the side here. I picked white. You can pick the color of this. I had mine customized. Mick is my husband's name. Then I like to go by James. So you can see that is what I go by. It's customized on my shoe. And then they give you you pick the laces, and then they give you an extra pair of white laces too. So these are about $20 more than just buying a pair of regular Vans off the website. So, and then you look inside and it does say customs, and there's the bottom. But I absolutely love Vans, and so I just thought I'd show everybody what a customized pair looks like when you use your own pictures and stuff. This is also Gatlinburg. It's a little bit of a view. You can't really see it real well because the stitching's over it, but the skylift is there, and then these are just some of the Smoky Mountains, and then down the skylift is Gatlinburg. So I absolutely love these. I think they're the coolest things ever, and I'm sure they won't be my only pair. And lastly, I have my Louis Vuitton unboxing. This is a true unboxing. As you can see, I have not opened it yet, so I'm just going to pull the tab here. There we go. See what it looks like when you open it. It says Louis Vuitton. And I'm going to pull it out here. And no ribbon. I know there have been many cases now where there's no ribbon, but I still have my beautiful box. And this is really nice. It's imprinted with Louis Vuitton. I don't just mean printed on. It's like embossed. And I know this is my slip of what it is. And there's just a little story behind this. I had wanted this particular item, but in a different, shall we say, pattern for a long time. And I knew I wanted personalized. So I have been checking the website over and over and over. They had a Damier Azir one, and that I did not want that. But I kept looking, and that was the only one I ever saw. And then I started just looking and looking and looking because I wanted a Damier Ebene to go with my Speedy bandolier. But it wouldn't show up. It wouldn't show up. It wouldn't show up because I really wanted it personalized. And so all of a sudden, I decided to look at the men's side. And oh my gosh, they have all of them there, and you can get them personalized even though they're not on the women's side. But they had one that I had never even thought about before, never saw before, never knew existed. So I got it. Oh, is that ever funny? There is ribbon on the little card inside. Well, that's nice. And then it comes in its little dust bag. It feels really thick. And I bought the 6-ring key holder, but this is in the men's. What is this called? I can't remember, but it's the black and gray. And it's got the silver hardware because I love silver hardware. and it's the 6-ring key holder. And then I have my initials engraved in silver. Oh, I just love this. This is awesome. So it has 1 card slot back here, then 6 key ring spots here. It's made in Paris. I think all the personalized stuff is. But this came right away. I ordered it, and it was like the next day it said it was coming. So I just really, really like this. I didn't know they made it in this type of pattern. What is this called? I can't for the life of me think of it. But I got it. Looks kind of cool next to my lodge. But I just love this pattern. And my car has a black interior, so I just thought this would be perfect. So just wanted to let you see that again. And that's all I have for today. Just a small haul, but a lot of fun stuff. If you like this, please subscribe. I'm trying to put out a few more videos now and get more regular. And hopefully I'll have some more hauls for you or things to show you. And might start vlogging a little bit when I take a trip coming up. But in the meantime, just thank you so much for stopping by and looking. You can check me out on Instagram under JamesJam23 or Poshmark if you want to buy some used stuff under JamesJam23. And until then, just please do unto others as you would have them do unto you. Thanks for watching.